And good morning to everyone behind the camera. I'm Fu and these are my teammates.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
And I'm Kwan.
Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And we're from SMK And the career path we chose for the Pertandingan Penjelajahan Kerjaya 2020 is a software developer. So for 20 of you that want to be a software developer, there's of course a career description you have to know. So what is a software developer? Well, a software developer is someone who is responsible for building and creating a digital product. Stuff on Microsoft and Google. Yeah, you've heard of those. They do this in accordance with the principles of software engineering, design and implementation. These include performance, maintainability, scalability, durability and security of a certain product. Not only that, they also diagnose program problems and ensure that the quality of the programs they create is qualified. They also try it first before launching to the public to ensure that the product is already efficient and functional. A software developer is involved in all processes related to the creation and design of new systems. They will make plans, set up parameters, create design, coding, encryption, and testing. Of course, these processes are not all done alone, but done in a team of them and software engineers and a handful of really good people. The work of a software developer will always evolve as such as technology does. So a software developer must learn to adapt to the situation.
Next, I'll be talking about personality traits every software programmer must have in order to be good at what they do. Firstly, technical skill. Software developers write clean, logical, high-quality code using test-driven development and agile practices. Secondly, the ability to self-manage. Software programmers work on maker-led teams. They must be focused, self-directed, and good at managing their work. Thirdly, curiosity and love of learning. Because they try their best to find the best tool for every situation, developers are fast learners who can quickly ramp into new toolset or language. Fourthly, a passion for development. Developers need to be passionate about doing really good work and need to constantly work to refine their practices. Many developers love coding so much they even code in their spare time. Next, strong communication skills. As individuals working on small teams, program developers need to work very closely with their clients and their users, learning, exploring, teaching, problem solving, calming fears, discussing budgets, and making smart compromises. And lastly, the ability to be a good team member. Program developers work side by side with designers, clients, and other developers, discussing their work and managing a constant flow of feedback. Next, we'll be taking a look at the pie chart for the work environment.
Since we're talking about career environment, what does a software developer manage?
Well, we mainly manage computer system design, followed by manufacturing, software publishers, and lastly, management of companies.
Okay, so now let's talk about the career qualifications of a software developer. So, a software developer usually have a bachelor's degree, typically in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. Computer science degree programs are the most common because they tend to cover a broad range of topics. Students should focus on classes related to building software to better prepare themselves for work in the occupation. Many students gain experience in software development by completing an internship at a software company while in college. For some positions, employers may prefer that applicants have a master's degree. Although writing code is not their first priority, developers must have a strong background in computer programming. They usually gain this experience in high school. Throughout their career, developers must keep up to date on new tools and computer languages. Software developers also need skills related to the industry in which they work. Developers working in a bank, for example, should have knowledge of finance so that they can understand a bank's computing needs. Now, we're going to be talking about the career model of a software developer. So, the career model that we have chosen is the Trait and Factor Theory by Frank Parsons, 1909. So, Parsons states that occupational decision making occurs when people have achieved A. The trait and accurate understanding of their individual traits, aptitudes, interests, personal abilities, plus a factor, a knowledge of jobs and the labour market, will be equivalent to the factor of rational and objective judgment about the relationship between their individual traits and the labour market.
We hope that this presentation could help you decide whether you want to join the IT technology or not. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you very much. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Thank you.